Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me show you how to make rain and drops effects in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. Open Layer panel. Select the layer. Then select the pen tool. Zoom in here, and draw a path to select this area. Now press Ctrl Enter to make selection. Then press Ctrl J to make a copy. And rename the layer to Rain. Select the background. And click on the thumbnail to select. Go to the Select, and inverse the selection. Now press Ctrl J to make another copy. And rename the layer to Raindrops. Select the layer. Then go to the second image. Select Move tool, and click and drag it to the first image. Then release here. Hide this layer. Press Ctrl T, and adjust the size and position. Right-click, and choose Warp. Then adjust the handles like this. Now change the mode to soft light. Click and drag to duplicate the layer. And change the mode to screen. Select two layers by holding Shift. Right-click, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Then select three layers, and group them. Then rename it to Raindrops. Unhide this layer, then select it, and go to the third image. Click and drag it to the first image. Press Ctrl T to adjust the size and position. Enter to Done. Right-click on the layer, and create Clipping Mask. Change the mode to Color Burn. Click on Adjustments, and add Levels. Click to clip to layer. And drag this slider to right. That's well. Come back to Layer panel. Select the layer mask, and press Ctrl I to invert the mask. Select the brush. Make sure the color is white. And bush here to adjust it. That's well. Select Move tool. Select these three layers, and drag them to group. Then rename it Rain. And this is done. Hope you liked it. Please follow me on social media for more useful and effective videos. Thanks for watching.